All right, today guys, we're going to be putting on the Whitestone Dome Easy Glass. And this is a pretty simple installation. It comes with a frame and you can see all the information here. Easy installation, it'll attach real quick, vivid and clear. So it's going to be a nice thin piece of glass on there. Oleophobic coating, so it won't be all greasy all the time. 9-inch hardness, touch sensitivity, and shatterproof. Really basic boxing that it comes in. It comes in a 3-pack here. Here's the glass right here. You can probably barely see it. There it is. So I'm going to clean off this glass real quick. And it comes with the basic instructions here. It's very simple to follow these instructions, folks. If you mess that up, just go to the video. Let's get a wet wipe out of here. And we're going to clean up the phone. Okay. Make sure it's nice and clean. Try to make sure no debris goes in. Once you drop this down, folks, it's a wrap. These glasses are thin and clear, so if you drop it down, and I'm going to use my microfiber cloth here. I like it a lot better than some of the other ones that come in the packaging. They're not as good for that. If you drop it down, and then bumpy cam, I need to trademark that already. If you drop it down and then you lift it, a lot of times, folks, it's a wrap. It is a wrap. You're gonna have to use another one. A lot of times. Sometimes you can get away with it, but sometimes you cannot. So we're going to test this out. I was using the Rinky privacy glass before this, and a lot of you guys had questions about whether the fingerprint worked with it. And yeah, the fingerprint works with the privacy glass. It's just a tempered glass that's tinted. So let's go ahead and put this in, drop it down. And we're going to touch in the center, right there. And you can kind of watch it spread right there, if you can see that a little bit. Kind of difficult to see for the reflection, but pretty much it spread it out. And the only thing at this point, you just need to hope that there was no debris under there. If you did it right, if you cleaned it right, shouldn't be. So again, I like to use my microfiber cloth. I like a big cloth like this. And I'm just pushing those bubbles to the side. Yeah, and that's it. Now you warm the glass up and it'll adhere even better if there's some bubbles in here. Sometimes there's little bubbles off to the side and the edges and stuff like that. But they go away over time when you're using your phone, because your phone screen gets warm. Now, I'm not going to set up my fingerprint reader again. I want to show you real quick that it does work just having it like this. Right finger's doing a little something. Oh, it's a little oily on my right finger. There we go. Yeah, I had some lotion on or whatever, but nonetheless, everything works. You should not need to set up your fingerprint reader again. But for some reason you have trouble with your fingerprint reader, you can go into, I believe it's under display, and it's under where you have the touch sensitivity. Make sure that's turned on. Increase touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. So make sure you have that turned on. And the fluidity of the device is good. No problems whatsoever. There you go. Whitestone Dome Easy Glass install 3-pack if you make a mistake, or 3-pack if you have 3 of these for your family. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Take care.